the dominant grizzly. Since spring, he's packed on 2 pounds a day. He needs the extra weight, controlling the best feeding spots and mating with the local females. But after a decade in charge, he seems to be losing his charm. A younger male has sensed weakness. The boss needs to prove himself to the females and show Junior who's in charge around here. The cowboy swagger. The youngster is enormous. But with females watching on, no backing out now. The old boss is down for the count, effective immediately. The old boss's reign is over. The female made the smart choice, holding out for a stronger, fitter bear to father her cubs.